Guys, in this video here today, I'm going to show you a really easy affiliate marketing method that you can do. It's all 100% free. Should be able to be done from anywhere in the world, and you can do it as many times as you want. In fact, it's always recommended to do many offers. Notice I use the word offers plural, because the more you do with affiliate marketing, the more chance you have to make money with this particular method that I'm going to show you here today. As with any affiliate marketing method, you got to do it over and over and over again many times to increase your chances of making money and making a lot of money, like a lot more money. So guys, if you'd like to see a nice little affiliate marketing method, stick around. We're going to get started on it here right now. But first of all, let's get the to-dos out of the way. I always want to invite you, if you're new to my videos or to my channel. My name is Kevin Lehner with the Freedom Motivator channel that you see here on your screen. And if this is your first time here, well, anytime during the video that you feel like it and so on and so forth, reach down below the video, click that subscribe button that you see right there, and there will be a little bell button there right beside it. Make sure you click that little notification bell so that you get notified when I upload new videos, which I do pretty regularly here on this channel for you guys. All right, also anytime during this video that you feel like you're getting some value out of it, well, reach down there and crush that thumbs up button for me if you would. It'll help my channel as well. Thanks a lot, guys. I appreciate it. Let's go ahead and get started on this easy affiliate marketing method that you can do today and begin to make some sales over a short period of time. The more you do it, the more chances, the more quicker you'll probably be able to make money with this method, okay? All right, so first thing I want to do, we're going to be doing Clickbank today. Now, guys, you can do, come over here to Clickbank. You can do Digistore 24. If you can't access Clickbank because you're in another country, you can certainly go to digistore24.com and access about the same amount of affiliate products that Clickbank has. Or if you want to use CPA products, you can go to a site called CPA Grip and sign up for free. There's no approval. You can log in there and find CPA products to promote, and or you can do JVZoo or Warrior Plus. Any affiliate marketing product from any site that you want to use, you can do that. But for this example today, I'm going to show you Clickbank product, with Clickbank products, this method here today. All right, so now what you want to do, come to clickbank.com. You see it right here in the address bar. It's clickbank.com. If you don't have an account, it's free to sign up, guys. Like I said, everything's free here, dude, today. Check your email, because they will send you an email confirmation. Get that validated and come back and get logged back in. And then you want to click on Marketplace right up here where you see my mouse is, and that'll bring you over here to the affiliate marketplace page. Now, for this, you've got lots of choices that you can use here. I mean, over here in the column on the left, you see the categories and all of these different products that you see down through here, these categories of niches. You can use any one you want for this particular method. From this method that I'm going to use today, I clicked on health and fitness, dropped down the sub menu here, and I come down and I clicked on remedies, because a lot of people are looking for remedies to cure their particular health problem or whatever that is. And you see they have lots of remedies right here. We've got the back pain breakthrough remedy, lost book of remedies, diabetes remedy, Parkinson disease remedy, kidney disease remedy, chronic kidney disease, prostate remedy, gout remedy, and it goes on and on and on, guys. There's several pages right here you see of this too. Now, so for this example, I went ahead and I chose the back pain breakthrough right here, guys. If we click on this, you can see the sales page here. It's a pretty good little sales page. It's got got a nice little video here about it, and they can even do a little bit of reading about it right here, and so on and so forth. And they can certainly just simply click here to add it to their cart, and then when they do, when someone purchases it, you can make $49, or about 50 bucks. You can make per sale on this. It does have an upsells. It does have upsells to it, so you could potentially make even more than that on this particular product. And it has if you see, a really good gravity score here, guys, of 65.26 right here, gravity score, which means that it's selling very well on the internet, this particular product. Which is true. You know, a lot of people in the world, there's so many people. I have friends, you probably have friends too, you know, that have severe to moderate back pain in their lower back, or maybe just back pain anywhere in their back. And there are a lot of people like that in the world, and this product here should give them some relief. And then you see they have an affiliate page here, which we will come back. And then if we click here, we'll get our affiliate link here in just a little bit. So once you have your product picked out, and then you decided the product you want, what you want to do is you want to come over here to this site. It's called Funky Free Ads. You see it right here. It's up here in the address bar. It's funkyfreeads.com. You see it right there, guys. And as you'll notice, the first thing you notice on this site is, look right here, post affiliate offers. Yep, all affiliate offers are, and affiliate links are accepted on this site, guys. And then for ads for biz ops services, local businesses, cars, real estate, and a whole lot more. And you can see some of the different categories right here, and then some of the other premium listings, which, guys, this is a classified site, and you can have a premium listing and have yours right up on the front page if you want. And then some of the latest listings right here that you can see. Now, guys, like I said, it's free to sign up here. So what you want to do is you want to come up here and click on registration right here. And it brings you over here to this page right here. And then you have to fill out where the asterisk is at right here. Your name. This is going to be your name here. And you're going to use your email to log in with. So with your name, your password, retype your password, create a good, strong password, and then put in your email address. And then if you want, you can put your mobile phone number and pick a user thing right here, whether you're a user or a company if you want. And then you want to check this little garbage box right here, guys. I'm not a robot. And then click the create button, and they certainly will send you a email confirmation. So you want to get that validated and verified, and then you want to come back and get logged in. So we'll go ahead and we'll log in here on my account. And then once you get logged in, guys, it brings you to this page right here. You can see it talks about your My Account and so on and so forth. And you can go ahead and post your ad on this site right here. Now, all you got to do is click right here where it says publish your ad. Then it brings you over here, of course, to your ad listing and so on and so forth. So what we want to do first, since we're picking a health product right here, we want to pick a category right here. So we'll click down here and we'll come down to community. You can see all the different categories here, right? Business opportunities, for sale, vehicles, classes, real estate services, and jobs and community. So I'm going to click on community, and then we've got to pick a subcategory. I'm sorry, I'm going to pick on services because I'm looking for the health. And here we go. We come down here to health, beauty, and fitness right there, and we click on that. So we know that we get our product in the right category with the right niche. Alrighty, and then you can find that, and then you want to put a title in. Now for a title, I'm going to come back to the product here. I'm going to click on the affiliate page right here, guys. And I'm going to use this particular right here information for my title and description right here. And then, so starting off, I'm going to put in here, I'm going to type the back pain breakthrough. Make sure I spelled that right. The back pain breakthrough. And then we're going to come back here and get this information right here. And I'm just going to copy this if you'll let me here. And bring that back, and we're going to paste that right in here. Like that. And then we'll just put this down here, and we're going to come back and get this little paragraph right here. The back pain breakthrough is the #1 doctor-approved and doctor-created solution for people who suffer with low back pain and sciatica. And we'll just copy that, bring that back, and we'll paste it right in here as well. That looks pretty good. Now, if you want to put your affiliate link, basically you just want to type here, click here to learn more, just like that. Put a little like hyphen there, and then we want to come back and get our affiliate link there. So we'll come back here, click on promote right here, guys. And then make sure that your account nickname is in the box right here. You can put a tracking ID, call it Funky Free Ads if you want, or something like that. And then click on create a hop link, and that'll give you the old ugly Clickbank link right here. I'm going to copy that, guys, and I'm going to come over here to tinyurl.com, and we're going to click in here and paste it, and we're going to shorten that link up a little bit and make it nicer, okay? And then just click here and make tiny URL, and that gives us the link right here that we want. You see it's right here. We'll just copy that, and like I tell you, you always want to test those links out, right? We're going to test it out, paste and go, and you see it does, and it's got our affiliate name in there, and we're good to go on that. So then we just want to come back to a site here and edit our listing here, and we're going to paste that tiny URL link right in there, just like that, guys. And then we just want to come down here and click on update. I forgot to add that in there, and that's what we want to do. So we'll just click on update, and then that will update it. And I think we'll just do this. No thanks here on that again, and there it goes. And it should be in here somewhere. It'll show up. There it is, right there. So if somebody sees that, and then you can see that the link is right there, guys. Basically what they'll do is they'll have to copy that link, guys, and then paste it into the browser, and it'll take them over. And if they purchase, then you're going to make, whatever your cost of your product is, and you're going to make your commission just like that. And that's how you do that, guys. You just want to do it over and over and over. The more products you use, I'd use a whole slew of different products, guys, to do this with. You can pick as many products as you want and create as many ads on this site as you want for free and get them out there. And the more people see it, the more chances you're going to have to make money, and over time, because they'll still be there for a long time, and you'll have opportunity to make money down the road, later on down the road. Basically, it almost becomes, you set it up once and it becomes passive income because it stays there forever. As far as I know, it'll stay there forever. There's no, I didn't read anywhere about any limits on posting ads that it disappears after any certain amount of time or anything like that. Well, guys, that is how you do that. If you like this method, reach down there and give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to leave any comments down there below if you have any comments about this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell there right beside it as well if you haven't done so already. And also, if you want to learn the high-ticket affiliate marketing where you can make thousands per day possibility, you want to click down there in the top of my description where it says mentorwithkev.com and come over and watch my free video presentation that'll show you how you can do high-ticket affiliate marketing. Sort of what I'm showing you here, but only a lot, making up to thousands per day possibility. Alrighty? Well, guys, I'm going to let you go with that, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days with the next exciting money-making video. You guys take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye now.